All right, so today a little something different. I got to do the brakes on my truck here, my Cadillac. So I already did this front. You can kind of see it. I have to do the pads and rotors. These are the original brakes on here. Yeah. Gotta do it. You know, need brakes. Alright, well, let's get to it. Alright, well, I took the liberty of cracking these before I put it up all the way. Alright, got the wheel turned. First, going to take our, I believe this is, 19 millimeter. And we are going to take the caliper off first. And break it loose on both sides. There we go. Okay. Now take that off. There we go. Now, I'll show you what I make for this. You don't have to buy the tool. Piece of coat hanger. They do make the tool if you want to buy the tool. So you just pry it back here. Oh. Alrighty. Okay. You don't want to put a lot of tension on your line there, so I just kind of hang it kind of high over here somewhere, maybe up here. Yeah, back there. Kind of hang it there the way. Now I believe this one is it's an 18 mil for the bracket. Just check that. Wow, look at that. See, these are the originals. So yeah, that's bad. That is bad. All right, so let's get our breaker bar here. Yep. Doing automotive on the show, eh? This will probably be the last time you ever see automotive on the show. I just wanted to kind of, you know, have you hang out with me today while I'm doing this for my wife. Valentine's Day breaks. Alright, let's see. Oh, that one's on there, boys and girls. That, back you up a little bit. There you are. Oh yeah, she's on there. That was on there. Thank God for breaker bars, huh? There we are. Boy, they put those things on tight, eh? All right. Okay. Back to it. Oh, had that factory Loctite on there. That's why she didn't want to come off. That's why she know it want to come off. Okay. There we are. Oh. Whoa. She was riding dirty. Woo. You take your T30 right here. Shouldn't be too tight. Kind of give it a little bit of a jolt. There we are. Get you over here to. Don't be looking at over there. That's a different show. Don't be looking at it. Please always use the proper PPE when doing things like this. Accidents can happen in the smallest jobs. Well, get off of there now. There we go. Yeah. That's riding dirty, ain't it? Alright. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? A little bit. That's all it counts. Okay. Now we gotta have to clean these up a little. You ain't gotta get them spotless. Just a little bit of that surface stuff off of there. Alright. Get a little bit of your silver magic. Just like that. Not a lot, just enough. You don't want to hear all that. You don't want to hear all that when you're going down the road. You know? Alright, so check these bad boys. Alright. Oh, that one was a little crusty looking, huh? Let's clean that up a little. There you are. Okay. I like to goop it on. I like to goop it on. Get it all in there. There we go. There we are. Get all that you can on there. And whatever's left inside there will also help it. So you kind of doing it both ways. All right. Oh yeah. Get a little spring back action. But don't go dancing around. Okay, there you go. All right, now. Big one. All right. Okay. Just like that. Make sure they're kind of even. You know, use your best judgment, you know. Okay. Put a little something in there. There we go. Alright. Now this one, try not to touch the pad, of course. This one that is smooth goes on the outside. So if you're riding like that, right? This is on the inside, that's the outside. This one has the nubs. See the nubs? I do apologize. My phone died and I'm just sitting there rattling off and talking. And yeah, well, that's how it goes. So, like I said, nubs on the outside go on the inside, and nubs on the inside go on the outside. So just like that. All right, moving on. Okay, so this is probably one of the most important steps, if you ask me, in this whole process. So put it on backwards first. Okay. All right. Now you take paper towel and some brake cleaner. You gotta get that film that they ship it with so it doesn't rust while it's sitting waiting to be purchased. Gotta get that off of there. Gotta get it off of there. We're just gonna burn up your pads. Okay. Give it one more wipe down. We're done. That process there. Alright. I'm gonna move the camera over and let's put her together. Alright. Let's get our assembly on here. Tight quarters in the shop here. I dug out my blue Loctite for those bolts there. Okay. Sucker on there like that. Okay. Now, just to keep it up there, I'm just going to start that one without the Loctite. Okay. I thought I was going to start it without the light. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so it's not flopping around and getting dirty. Alright. Just a little bit. Not much. Doesn't take a whole lot. Don't use red. Use the blue. Please. Alright. Now, not unless you want to get the torch out, use the blue. Alright. Now you can put the blue on there, on the top one. Okay. Now we're going to be torquing that to 170 foot-pounds. I know it's a lot, but that's what they call for on the old intro web. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to be all on the way, so I'll bring you back when I'm done. Okay. Same with these. We are going to torque these down. The caliper. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. I have to compress the pistons in the caliper first. Alrighty, there you have it. That is the passenger side done. I still got it the rear. I'm glad she fit in here. It's snowing. You can see there's snow on top of her. Yeah. Oh, and yeah, I do need to get that. The windshield cracked yesterday. We're having a bad month, apparently. No, it's okay. I'm glad I can do this for my wife for Valentine's Day. No, it's okay. I still got her flowers. Yeah. I sure do appreciate every one of you. Please like, share, subscribe. And like always, it's just nuts and bolts. And God bless. Oh, 2 more to go.